Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 17th and the chart of the day for today is silver. This is a spot silver chart, 60 minutes time frame. We can see we ended with 4. This is in the form of an expanded flat here, ABC. Alright, so ended at $30.10. From there we rally higher within wave 5. Now within wave 5 it subdivides into 5 waves obviously, and this is your 1 and 2 here, and now within wave 3 of 5 technically speaking. All right, so now basically the idea here is simple. As long as we stay above $30, then we can see for the upside, or we favor for the upside. It's still, the arrow is still turning up, still not green yet, since we have not yet broken above that previous peak. So I think the idea here is that as long as we have not broken above the previous peak, there is always a chance, however small it is, that we can do what we call a double correction. Double correction simply means this is, you know, something like a, you can count this as an ABC and then breaks down again like this to the downside. Okay, so that remains to be a possible alternates unless it breaks above 33, in which then it will confirm that the correction with 4 here is over. Okay, so if I zoom out on the daily time frame, and I'm gonna place this with 4 in the daily, which is this one, right? So then you can see this ABC, A, B, C, expanded flat is this. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Okay, so you notice here that we do have a high sequence all the way down from, I mean, since 2022. You notice we continue to have a high, and even the last one was a high as well, not too long ago in October 4th, right? And so that's good. That's a very good progress, right? That's very good progress. And let me complete this label here. So if that's wave 4, this is your wave 3, and then that means the 1 and 2 is here. So you notice here that technically it does seems like we only have a 3ish rally from the lows here, since the rally should be considered to be an impulse because we continue to make a high. So that means it looks like we are missing at minimum one more leg higher, at minimum, right? I mean, it could be more than that, but at least seems to be lacking one more leg higher in silver to finish a 5 ways up from this low here. Okay, so that's why we are favoring the upside due to the structure looking incomplete. And again, if there is further downside like this, which is the alternate that I was mentioning, if it breaks below $30, I think it's less likely, to be honest, but it is always a possibility, right? Then that means we should be, if let's say assuming we break down, right, then basically the changes here, simply you can move the 3 here, and then you can move ABC like this, and then it's still gonna be looking to find support at the next area, 100% extension, because again we favor the upside, plus gold breaks to new high. So there's no reason for you to be bearish gold or silver at this stage, right? So let's suppose if for whatever reason it breaks down, then the extreme area can be measured this way. This is going to be your A leg, and then this is your B leg, and then you should be able to find further support at this area 29.3 and 27.5. But I think honestly, if I have to say the probability, I think this is more probable than the double correction here going back to 29.3, right? So as long as we stay above $30, I think we can see more upside. And in the shorter cycle, if you want to know what the possible target on the upside in the shorter cycle, then you can measure this 1 and 2 here extension wise. Now this is the 100% extension, which technically, yes, it could be the minimum. But then if this is a 5 waves within wave 1, now this one, it kind of looked 3 waves so far, so it looks like even in the shorter cycle it's missing one more leg, seems like, right? And because it is a wave 3, potentially we can go all the way up to even 33.1, which is the 1.618. But at least we are aiming for 100%, which is 33.2 minimum, and possibly can go all the way to 33.1. So we'll see how it goes. And if it breaks above this, then obviously that will confirm that the direction is higher. Okay, so that's the update here, guys, for today. As always, if you want to get more updates on silver or anything else, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.